Good evening, all.
Good evening.
We come to the conclusion of enriching Atal Faculty Development Program. It is time for the most awaited moment, our valedictory session. So, may I now invite Dr. Gopinath Selvaraj, Practice Head, UST Global, Bangalore, to deliver the valedictory address. Sir, please, sir.
Hope I'm audible. I think it's better. Most
Yeah,
of the
yeah,
audio.
it's audible, sir. Yes,
Okay.
audible, sir.
Right. Yeah, it's better that all the audience can switch on their camera. That will be better, so that we'll be able to see all the participants as a face-to-face meeting, right? And I would like to first of all thank the entire organization team for this an online FDP Atal, which is approved by AICTE, right, on the emerging trends in optimal design of electric vehicles as well as on the hydrogen fuel cells in order to bring the sustainable future, right? So that's the theme of this particular FDP program, and it was a jam-packed session. I guess it was started in 27th of the last month, and today is the last date, I guess, correct? So I think many of you have like witnessed all these 12 sessions, I guess, right? On the different topics, which was actually the part of the um, both academics as well as from there are speakers from different other organizations also shared their experiences as a part of this TP program. And thankfully, I also got an opportunity to provide my experience, and I was happy to share my experiences as a last session, which has happened in today, right? And I hope all of you have received some or other way of our experiences in the form of a small notes or something like a research opportunities which are available in these different areas, both on electric vehicles perspective and on the battery management system, or realization of the smart vehicles or even controls. Or even some of the topics might have been covered on the fuel cell suspects. That's what I could able to see from the overall schedules which was mentioned by that team, right? So and I hope it's a great opportunity for every participants who has been a part of this particular program, and at least you could have gathered some of your a little knowledge on different areas, even though you're not an expert in that area, right? But we personally feel that being as a faculties, whatever the knowledge that you gained over this in this entire FDP program, pass on these informations to your students or to your research scholars if you are guiding some of your scholars, or if you yourself as a research faculties at least take notes on certain research areas if you would like to take up some of these research topics um, in your PhD or in your a post research areas, or if you would like to actually present some of an innovative ideas to write a program or write a project to AICTE or any other funding agencies, right? So in that perspective, this particular FDP would have helped you guys, all of you, in one or other sense, right? In order to make this entire FDP as a whole success, right? And with this small notes, I guess I'll stop here, right? If you have any further comments or anything, I'm happy to hear from the participants, right? What went wrong, or if we could have arranged this particular session in a different other way, we'll be happy to get those positive feedbacks as well, right? I hope Dr. Venkat will get that feedbacks from the different faculties as well, right? All the participants, right? Any specific questions or any specific moments which you liked in this entire FDP? You can always share that, because this is a forum. It's good that like everybody who is joining from that in an online mode, right? So that we could see each other from the through the videos. Otherwise, it'll be a one-way session. Like I'll be keep talking, and then nobody will be, everybody will be in the listening mode. Correct. So it can be a kind of a discussion session, which you might have already done that, right, in your earlier sessions as well. But with the limited time which has been given to me, like 5 to 10 minutes, which was the time provided to me. So it'll be better that I wanted to congratulate each and every one of you, and to be a part of this FTP. And I also thanks the entire team who has organized this FDP program, a successful one. Right. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
So thank you, sir. We had an opportunity to hear your thought. This will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Participants, now it's time for feedback session. Please share your experience or give a feedback on the 6-day Atal FTP. Participants, please unmute your mic and please share your experience.
Very good evening, sir. Myself, Dr. R. Satish Kumar. Can you hear my voice, sir?
Yes, we can.
This is audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Myself, Dr. R. Satish Kumar from SRM TRP Engineering College, Tiruchirappalli. First of all, I would like to thank the management of SRM Madurai Group. It is a wonderful opportunity. We have enjoyed throughout the session, sir. All the 12 sessions we enjoyed a lot, and we got more ideas from the new topic, electrical vehicle and charging stations and hydrogen batteries. So it will be very useful for us for the proposal writing, funding proposal, and new journal ideas. It will be very much useful, sir. So the coordinators and co-coordinators are wonderfully arranged the FDP. So it is conducted in evening, sir. So it will be very much helpful for us. So we are all working in the private institutions. So in the daytime we can't able to attend the FDP. It is very, very easy, sir. In the evening mode, it was a wonderful session, sir. All the events are organized well, sir. And we experienced a lot. Today's session was wonderful, sir. We had a simulation practical, simulation oriented training from the electrical vehicle session and the hydrogen cells we learned. So very much thankful, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for the coordinators and co-coordinators and principal, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for your positive feedback. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other feedbacks? Participants, you are welcome to share your thoughts.
Good evening, sir. I'm Dr. Saparish from SRM Madurai. Sir, I want to thank you for your session today, sir, because I'm from a mechanical engineering department. So basically, from mechanical engineering background, we are also were informed about alternative fuels, renewable fuels such as biofuels and all that. But in terms of electric vehicles and all this autonomous technology, this session was very useful in educating us in that regard, sir. Because based on hybrid vehicles, we are kind of well versed, but electric vehicles and those included technologies, they were actually studying about that was very actually useful, sir. Because we know about the electric vehicles such as Tesla and all that, but these granular information which you gave today, that was very useful, sir. So I wanted to thank you to that.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
It was my pleasure also to share the thoughts and then share my experiences, whatever I could able to gather those informations, and what was my experience in working on those softwares. So it's a great opportunity to meet you all in those sessions. Yeah. Right.
Thank you, Saparish, sir. Any other feedbacks from the participants or any suggestions or any particular wonderful experience from this FTP?
Participants, please give me a feedback about the entire FTP. Day 1 to
Sir, myself.
6. Yeah.
Sir, myself Subramanian from SRM TRP Engineering College, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
all
Yes,
the
sir.
sessions are very effectively and very much useful to our career, sir, future career. Really, thanks to your conducting this so much of program, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other participants?
Any participants who are other than SRM who is also part of this particular FDP from other colleges could be the participants, right? Because I could hear that there are faculties coming from SRM Trichy and then SRM Madurai. I wanted to just hear from the other participants who are also part of this FDP.
Participants from institutions other than SRM are requested to give your feedback. Please share your thoughts on this FTP program.
Sir, this is Dr. Jayabal from KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Actually, we lost 6 days, so all the sections were wonderful, and we got many informations and many knowledge area of batteries, and especially charging green energy related. We got knowledge in this area. And I have one doubt. Sir, go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Sir, actually, our Indian government
Hello?
target was.
So in between, we have a
Connection.
bandwidth issue. It seems from your end, we couldn't able to hear your.
I mean, we could change it by 2070.
Sorry, we missed out the last few sentences from your end, Dr. Jayapal.
Sir, now I am
We
audible.
couldn't. Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Now it's audible clear, sir. Yes, sir. You can repeat,
Yeah.
sir, please. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Actually, our government set a target by 2070. We need to.
Sir Jaybal, sir, we have a connection issue.
Energy and also carbon dioxide emission, right, sir?
Correct. I think in today's, I was listening that on the part of when I was parallelly preparing for this presentation also today.
Can we?
I could
Can
get a
we
very
get
little
it?
time.
Question is, sir,
I was listening. Our finance minister is actually providing the budget speak in Parliament, right? So you could able to see that there are a lot of concessions which is actually on the area for EV vehicles. So there is a lot of penetration which is going to come as a part of this and it's a mission that's what the entire government is actually taking care. So that you could able to see that a lot of electric vehicles will be on the road, right, in future, and the prices will also be getting reduced because of the tax reductions on the lithium-ion batteries, which is being employed in both in the smartphones as well as on the electric vehicles, especially. And at the same time, I think there is enough funding which is also being pumped over there in the renewable energy sources on the solar power cells. So that's also an encouraging things for the academic, so that we could able to actually propose multiple new ideas, come out with a new innovative projects, so that you could easily get those fundings from the academic perspectives, right? That's what I can I can gather as an information from the budget speech from our friend finance minister today.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you.
Because
sir.
anyhow you will be, yeah, right, you will be providing your reports and other things to the central government only, right? For your any of your project proposals has to be addressed by that, right? Whether it's a DST or it's a AICT approvals, right? You could easily get those kind of fundings for your innovative project ideas or proposals.
Thank you, Jayapal sir. Next. Any other participants you want to give feedback?
Sir, I
Good evening,
Chandrasekhar
sir.
Patil from GC College of Engineering from Maharashtra.
Good evening, sir. This is Om Prakash from Government Polytechnic College, Uslampatti.
Dr. Chandrasekhar sir will come in a little bit later. Om Prakash, yes sir, Om Prakash sir. Yeah, you can.
Shall I talk now, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. So this all 6 days, the electric vehicle technology program was very, very good. Actually, in Polytechnic colleges, we are having that syllabus, e-vehicle technology and policy. And the law
Okay.
from up to last academic year, it was in the syllabus. And now it comes under the non-Mudalvan scheme. So being a faculty of Polytechnic, this program is very much useful to me. And I gain a lot of information and also I got more sufficient information from my subject point of view as well as the general point of view. In the particularly today's session that you have shown that video that regarding the artificial intelligence is very, very nice. So thank you for all the members who are who put keen efforts in conducting this program, especially Dr. R.J. Venkatesh sir. So thanks one and all. Eager to wait and eager to participate in SRM FDP program in future also. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Om Prakash, sir. Thanks.
Sir, Chandrasekhar sir, over to you, sir. Chandrasekhar sir. Chandrasekhar Patil sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I Chandrasekhar Patil from GC College, Gangamai College of Engineering, Nagaon, from Maharashtra. We join all the sessions and all sessions give us valuable knowledge and current issues about electric vehicles. Thank you, sir, once again. This program is very useful for us in future. Thank you once again and thanks for all the team members and coordinators of SRM College. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Maheshwaran sir.
Maheshwaran, sir.
Maheshwaran
Hello,
sir.
sir. Whether I'm hello,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Please, sir.
My voice is audible, sir.
Yes, clear, sir. Clear. Audible.
Sir. Yes, sir. This is Dr. G. Mageshwaran from SRM TRP Engineering College, sir. So it was a very nice experience, and I thank the coordinator and co-coordinators and the team who will write the proposal for Atal FTP for selecting the eminent professors and expertise who give great insight on e-vehicle technology in the deep understanding of AI intervention and the battery management system. So it was a very nice experience, and I have learned many things. And I want to thank once again all the team members, those who are working worked for this Atal to make happen. Thank you so much, and I thank all the expert members, those who have spared time to give the valuable inputs to all the researchers in the field of electric vehicle technology. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Maheshwaran.
Maheshwaran, sir.
Ma'am, can next
Sir,
move to
can
next
we
session. This one.
Participants, please switch on your camera for 1 or 2 minutes that we'll have a virtual photo shoot. Participants, I repeat, please switch on your cameras for 1 or 2 minutes so that we'll have a virtual photo shoot. Please, participants.
Ma'am, taken. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So now it's time to express our gratitude to those who made this event a grand success. To extend a heartfelt gratitude, I'm honored to invite Dr. R.J. Venkatesh, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, to deliver the vote of thanks. Sir, please, sir.
Thank you, Anu ma'am. Thank you. First of all, I thank our college management for providing us to organizing an Atal FDP. Then I thank our principal sir, Dr. S. Pureraj sir, for supporting us in all the activities for organizing and conducting the FDP successfully. Also, I thank the Atal, the ACT Atal team to providing us a platform where the knowledge of experts across the world can be shared effectively. I thank our all resource person of the FDP. I list out the resource persons. The first session is handled by Dr. Sheikh Mohammed Sultan sir, Deputy Director of Center for Transport Research from Brunei, and then followed by Dr. S. Muralidharan sir from Efcoslang Engineering College, and then Dr. Surendra Reddy sir from South Korea, and then the fast charging technologies expressed by Dr. K. Deepa ma'am, and next session 5 is handled by Amit sir from Gujarat, and then section 6 it's by City Babu sir from IIIT TDM, and then 7th session is handled by the IoT session handled by Dr. Ramya, and next the energy management system for grid session is handled by Dr. V. Ravikumar Pandey sir from Amrita, Kerala. And then from MathWorks, Dr. Vivek sir is handled the innovations in EV battery management system. And then the session 10 handled by about the battery, Mr. Mukesh sir from TVS Lucas. And the 11th session is handled by the EV charging infrastructure for sustainable public transportation by Dr. D. Madan Mohan sir from Hitachi Energy, Chennai. And then the Prem Kumar sir going to handle the session from that is Exide Energy Manager Bangalore, about the advancement in lithium-ion battery design for the EV and the ESS applications. And the last session is wonderfully handled by Dr. Gopinath sir, the practice head USD Global from Bangalore. And I thank all the resource person, they listed out the resource person for their acceptance of request as a resource person and delivering the valuable information from their expertise. Also, I thank our participants for their interest and involvement in attending the session after working hours. That is great. For all 6 days of FDP, I am sure you have gained a lot of knowledge and information about the tools and technology in electric vehicle design. Finally, I thank our college team, staff members, teaching and non-teaching staffs for SRM Madurai for their support in organizing this Atal FDP as a successful event. Thank you very much to all. So this is not the end of the session. We're going to start the research work from this point. I insist you all. Thank you very much to all. Thank you.
Sir, thank you.